every hybrid's planted in 8 rows. That's what our planter is. That's what our cornet is. So we marked out, it was 136 feet, so that's 1/16 of an acre. So we're taking just those 8 rows, putting in the TMR because that's got a scale on it, so you get your test, your weight. We take a sample each one so we can get the analysis on it. We just bore right into the side of it.
So we're not a big enough farm to have, we don't do side-by-side grain cart hauling. We just blow it back into a box. So this is kind of foreign for us. Alright, so Palmer and I are headed back to the house now with one of the tractors. Travis is done harvesting the test plot with the guy that he does the plots with. It's tedious, but it's half a day basically every harvest. You do a row, you have to measure it, weigh it, he'll take it back and do whatever he does to figure out how it's yielding. But so it's a slow process. We just put it in the TMR, they weigh it, and then good to go again. So we're taking one tractor back. Travis is gonna stay out and keep chopping. Steve brought the tractor and TMR back, and then he'll keep unloading, and then Charlie's already at home packing the bunkers. So we're gonna, Charlie. So we're gonna head home. Already? Wow. And then we'll do supper for everybody that helps out. We all stop at 5 o'clock and eat supper together. So Palmer and I are gonna head back, make an apple crisp and some sort of hot dish, something big enough to feed like 9 adults, most of which are males. But otherwise, what do you have planned for today, little miss? Driving with mommy. It's not a lot of people do test plots anymore because honestly it's a little time consuming, but we really only do it for Dan, really nice guy, but it's free seed, it's free feed for the cows. I mean, it takes a little bit, obviously, but we do it for one person, so it's not too big of a deal. But we'll head home, get some stuff kind of prepped and started for everybody for supper, and then today is day 2 working on the bunker. We are anticipating probably 5 days, so kind of on the earlier side of it yet, but we'll see how it goes. The bunker is getting higher. And he's coming. Farmer Daddy Travis is coming. We're right by the house now. Alright, so it is Saturday. Yesterday I did a bunch of drone stuff of them chopping and then packing, and I was excited to show it to Travis. We didn't have an extra chore boy, so Trav was milking, so our neighbor Eric was chopping for us. So I went out there, was flying it around. He has a drone, so he kind of knew how to use it, and it went really actually kind of smoothly. So I came in the house all excited to show it to Travis. Turns out you need to hit the record button while you're flying the drone, which I thought I did, but I was kind of preoccupied with operating the drone that I apparently didn't. I was very frustrated. So we're gonna try again today, see what we can come up with. All right, you guys, so I finally got the drone to work. The SD card that was in it yesterday was bad, so I finally figured that out today, put a new one in, went out and kind of got the hang of it and felt a little comfortable and was able to do it. So got some kind of cool drone footage. I was going over Travis in the chopper, and then as soon as the battery died, I started walking to the house, and he called me, he's like, just come ride in the chopper for a little bit. I'm like, okay. He hooked up a new box. He stands up, he's like, move. And he made me go in the driver's seat. You guys, I've never driven a chopper in my life. Travis was trying to be kind of sly, and he set up this camera in there so he could like videotape me. He accidentally put it in time lapse. So we completely missed everything. I mean, you can see us moving around the seat, but you don't see me in total panic mode. We are like, to say we are like total rookie YouTubers is probably an understatement. So yesterday I totally blew the drone. Travis totally blew teaching me how to drive the chopper today, but you win some, you lose some. We'll get better in time. So now they are working on the bunker. They are thinking they'll get pretty close to being done. Everybody has a wedding today, minus Travis and I, so Hannah and Ben, Steve and Joyce. So they are needing to leave early. So the kids and I are gonna help with what we can. We told Trav we'd feed calves and stuff tonight just to help out a little bit, but otherwise we're just kind of trying to get the bunker done. It's just drizzling a little bit now, but the farm is starting to look different. There is a lot of corn off of our fields, and it's opening up so much more. Our house is right here. And then all this is cornfields. Our kitchen overlooks this cornfield, so it's going to look, I mean, the view is going to be totally different. It's just going to be wide open. Now you just see a cornfield. It's just going to be so open and look really different. It's always fun in the fall to see things change.
Bees are a little bit yellow.
What?
Bees are a little bit yellow.
Bees are a little bit yellow? Yeah. Push 2.
No, turn video on.
Wait for it. 1, 2.
So it's.
I gotta go over more?
No, go right where it is.
Okay.
It's these rows mix cross up.
Now 2?
No, turn the head on. Hit that button twice. Grab it twice.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Then 2 and go.
Okay, but don't actually count 4 in.
Yeah, there you go, right there. A little faster.
Good? God, it just turns so wide. This is like, I don't know, like satisfyingly fun, but also like I can feel my whole body is just tense because I'm so scared to wreck it. All right, so we're done chopping for today. It's Saturday night, and Travis is milking. Palmer went out to milk with Travis, and then Sailor and Tucker and I were going to feed calves. I got everybody ready. We were walking out, and then Sailor needed another diaper change, so I went back in, changed her diaper, walked back to the barn room to change my clothes into barn clothes, and then I heard a splash and I heard uh-oh, and now my cell phone is wrapped in a towel, and I'm hoping that it'll work because little miss just dropped it into the toilet. Parenting today is hard, so in the last 10 minutes she has thrown my cell phone in the toilet, and the big kids took off and I couldn't find them, and I was yelling for them. So I walked around the corner of the barn, and they are both on the silage pile on the four-wheeler, they're Power Wheels four-wheeler, packing the silage pile, which, I mean, it's kind of impressive, but they didn't let me know where they were going, so I kind of panicked, and now I find them. You guys are gonna tip. Did you?
Again! I'm stuck twice. Come on.
This is what?
This is embarrassing. I had to back up and pack it my stuck boots. When I get stuck, I have to back up so I can pack it.
What happened? What?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Do you need help? Come here, baby. No, hold on. There, you got it? Okay, lift it up. There, okay. You got it? No, not too. See it? I'll help. It's okay. You're doing great. You got it? Okay, so the diamond head one and the all black one. So there's one way back there yet, and then the white one with the black spot and the black one with the white spot we gotta do yet.
Hey.
Good job, you guys. Hold the nipple.
Mom, this feet in half.
I know, it's a little slimy.
Back. Oh my God.
I forget.
Hey. Let me pick on.
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Can I have it back? Yeah, Palmer, yours is gone too. Okay, so Tucker, you cannot feed the all black one again. Here's the black. Here, Tucker. This one. Yeah. This one is a different one. Oh, it's sucking on my hand. Okay, well, hold on, Palmer. I'll help you. All right, that is the wrap on chores for us tonight. It's about 7 o'clock. Palmer is very tired and angry at the world. So we're gonna head to the house, take baths, and we're gonna call her a night. Trav's gonna finish up milking the last group of cows, and he'll come in and start again tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. It helps us a whole bunch. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.